everyone, I am Charlie May. I'm captain of Darbots 4100, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple launching mechanism that my team is using. We use a Go Build a Servo that has almost an L bracket, except it's modified parts, but it's similar to an L bracket that will hold back a rubber band. Most rubber bands will work for this. Held back by a servo. There are different parts that we use to keep the plane in the middle and situated so during the match it will not fall out. It can be anything really. This all sits inside a Go Build a channel, so it's easy to attach and fairly simple. The servo, when activated during endgame, the rubber band will slide up and be released, launching the plane forward. We found that almost any plane works. Depending on what plane you use, you want to have a different launch angle. Biggest worry in the competition for most teams should be getting it over the wall, because 20 points is a lot higher than 0. So here I'll show you guys a visual demonstration.